The quickest and easiest way to cut an outlet hole, for example for cables or plumbing, is by using a tool called oscillating multi-tool. Make sure you mark the right size for your outlet, and then after connecting the oscillating tool to the power, simply hold the button on the tool to start the tool and then push into the cabinet to make the first cut. In a similar way, make 3 other cuts on the 3 remaining sides, and then this piece of wood should easily come out. And this is how the hole looks from the other side. And I also suggest you to wear ear defenders, as it is very loud when cutting the wood with a multi-tool. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. You can find my other videos in here, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.